Frank day. No car driver today. However, I'm full and the boys are still unloading. So I'm waiting for the semis to be back because the graveyard's full and I wasn't able to empty out everything. Still a tiny little bit. I just sit here and I found my snacks. Anybody that likes these, what are they called? Sweet Cajun trail mix from Target, they're bomb. The only problem is I don't like the regular peanuts. It's not my thing, so I pick them out. And then I put them in this little baggie. And I dump it back. And then I put it back in the bag. Hoping that my husband won't yell at me for that. Beautiful day to harvest though, that's for sure.